So new tonight, a court ruling finds part of a Florida classroom censorship law is unconstitutional. The ruling from a federal appeals court deals with the state's Stop Woke Act, which sets speech restrictions inside classrooms around race, sex, and national origin. The court ruled that the higher education part of the law was unconstitutional, saying just because Florida government technically pays a professor's salary at a state school does not give it control over classroom speech. Florida Attorney General James Uthmeier today calling the ruling, quote, totally incoherent.